Regalway Industrial Hub at Tasek, Simpang Ampat, Penang gives a regal way to crown your business with success. Regalway will be transforming this land, building the roads for you to achieve regal success. The Regalway Industrial Hub will expand the existing Tasek industrial area in Simpang Ampat with a further 37.24 acres of industrial land. The development plan includes 38 units of two-storey detached light industrial factories, 7 units of two-storey commercial showrooms, and 20 units of two-storey semi-detached factories. Regalway Industrial Hub is 11 km to the Batu Kawan Industrial Park, 10.5 km to Penang Science Park, 19 km to the Perai Industrial Park, 21 km to the Kulim HiTech Park, and 35 km to the Bayan Lepas Industrial Park. Regalway also has good access and connectivity to key infrastructure. It is only 0.4 km to Jalan Tasek, 8 km to the North-South Highway Toll, 37 km to the Penang Air Cargo Complex, and 26 km to the North Butterworth Container Terminal. Regalway is also close to commercial and residential centres such as Bandar Tasek Mutiara and Hijauan Hills, giving workers in Regalway easy access to businesses and homes. There are different unit types to cater to different business needs. The design allows flexibility for businesses to use it as a combination of factory, warehouse, showroom, or office. Be a pioneer investor in Regalway and get more options to pick from to better match your needs. Take the Regalway to crown your business with success. For more information on this project, please contact us.